Today's keel laying is a momentous milestone in the journey of the delivery of Iona. The forward block that we've laid today houses the bow thrusters of our brand new ship. So today we've layered the block onto a coin from the Addy on Iona.
And this is an old tradition in shipbuilding. We put a lucky coin underneath the block, and then this should bring the ship luck and success for the whole lifetime of the ship.
We've also today lowered the bow thrusters onto pieces of marble that have been quarried on the island of Iona. The marble and the coins stay on the bow of the ship throughout the entire construction process. And then at delivery, those pieces of marble and those coins are taken back onto the ship and they'll be mounted for all of our passengers to see when they join us on board the ship.